Terri Hoskins, and my title is Chief Human Resource Officer for Hooters of America, and my responsibilities are focusing on anything that touches our people, our Hooters girls, and our brand within our restaurants. Hooters culture is driven primarily by our brand promise of Hooters makes you happy. So, and anytime that we do anything around our brand, our people, leadership development, it's all around personality and the interaction with our guests in our restaurants. So that's why our culture is so important. Our restaurant has been around for 30 plus years, and we have touched many people's lives in 30 plus years from a culture perspective and our values, and we're very proud to develop our leaders and look at their personalities and how it fits in with our guests. Anytime that you're looking at a leadership development program in an organization, you want to make sure that it does build upon your values and it does build upon your culture. And that's why you start with your people first. One of the things that I did within the organization at Hooters was started with the front line, the people that work in the field, work in our restaurants, and to find out what really makes them successful. What makes a successful general manager in our restaurants? So they told us, and then I took that information and I mapped it to competencies that were indicative of that success within the organization, and then built two streams of conscious from that. The two streams are the assessment process and selection of people to join the organization, and then also the leadership development or the training that's associated with it to make it come to life. In building a leadership development program, you have to stay true to your brand. And I think it's really important that it has to represent what your guests think of you as an organization and also what your team members think of the brand. So in building your leaders, they have to represent just truly that brand promise, which in our particular case is Hooters makes you happy. So our leaders have to be indicative of that personality, and also our training has to focus on that as well. And I think we do a great job at that. So in 2016 and 2017, it's actually a really fun time to be a part of the brand because we've introduced some new products. We have smoked wings that we're introducing in Hooters, which brings new innovation and a new food product to our guests. But also we're tying in leadership development with that. We're actually calling it Hooters Talent Management System. And a part of that Hooters Talent Management System is leadership development, focusing on all different levels in the organization, but also on our selection process and retention process of our team members within the organization. And we're using assessments, and we're just so excited about introducing this in the next year.